What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from 8th Street in Maine, down here in downtown Boise. I'm going to walk up and down the main downtown area here, show you guys what's going on down here. So you can see they got a Roost Chris. It is raining. Here it is, October 11th, 2020. A bit more about what I've discovered about Boise. So the name Boise comes about because it's French for forest or trees. And when the settlers first arrived here, they said, "Le bois, le bois," and they meant the forest, the trees. That's at least from what I understood about how the name comes about. So it basically means forest tree or something like that in French. Now, it also was set up as a military fort, and in the 60s and 70s, Boise was really dying, and here recently, it has just been booming, in particular over the last 3 years. And the majority of that boom is coming from California. Now, I can already tell you, having arrived here at the airport, at a very modern airport, a very nice airport. It's a beautiful airport. Best one I've seen in the PNW so far, in the Northwest, Pacific Northwest. But it is pretty close to town, about 4 miles away. It's Bonneville County, Idaho. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful town, huh? Figure I'd at least walk up to the Capitol building while we have the chance. The statue of Abraham Lincoln.
As we approach the statue of Abraham Lincoln here, if you're enjoying this video of Boise, please do like the video. It helps get the video out to a larger audience with the YouTube algorithm.
Yeah, like I was going to say, it reminds me a little bit of Denver and a little bit of Nashville. It's like a Denver-Nashville mix. Probably a weird thing to say, but that's what it reminds me of.
All right, so now we pick back up here in the morning time. You can see it's cleared up nicely. All right, so I'm gonna go in here and get a donut or a breakfast of some sort. Maybe 2 donuts. Let's see. Morning. All right, so got some donuts here. I got a PB&J and a Boston cream.
So I'm back on 9th Street in Maine. I'm gonna show you guys around what it looks like on a Sunday morning here. gallery here. This here is a really cool statue of the Nez Perce with some pioneers. And this Capitol building here of Idaho, County of Boise. There's a lot of different counties around here, I've noticed. So far, the three cities that this reminds me of: Denver, Nashville, and Austin, Texas a little bit. Some of you might say, what? Why? Well, I don't know. Just what comes to mind. Definitely fall. Here's Old Boise. It says Wise Guy Pizza Pie, Old Boise, 6th and Main. Wow, really a nice downtown, I must say. Kudos to the people who have been managing this city. So did you know that Boise is actually one of the fastest growing cities in all of America? Bet you didn't know that. So you can see right here you've got the Basque Center, and from what I understand, the people here, a lot of the settlers are, from what I understand, Scandinavian. So you get a lot of people from the north in Europe who settle here, which would make sense since it's both really high up there, colder climates than we get in the south. But the Basque country, it's like a French, isn't it? Coeur d'Alene, Boise, so very French influence also. Coming up on Front Street, lots of construction you can see. I was talking to one of the girls that lives here, and she was saying it was 75 degrees pretty much every day, and it was too hot for her. I said, I come from Phoenix, Arizona, where every day has been over 100 degrees, and most people in Phoenix would just love a 75-degree day. In fact, that's what we get in November and December. Those are considered beautiful days where I come from. But here in Boise, she thought it was too hot. So, interesting, right? Here's the Boise Art Museum. All right, here's the Boise River. So here is the Anne Frank Human Rights Memorial about the atrocities of genocide. There's a nice little walking area down here on the Boise River. Cool. So here we are at Boise State University.
Wait.
See, way down there is the Capitol. And now we are officially at Boise State University. State. Here's those ducks. All right, so here we have a community center right here in the heart of the town. It's called Jump, but Jack's Community Center, Urban Community Center. It's closed right now, but I don't know if it opens on the weekdays during this specific moment, but they've got yoga and a bunch of different activities in this here modern looking structure right in the heart of Boise. Jack's Urban Meeting Place, that's what it's called. Just off of 9th Street and Front.
All right, so that concludes this episode of Boise, Idaho. Here it is in fall 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like the video, hit the like button, and consider subscribing to Island Hopper TV as we continue to take you around to all these city tours.